Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AI screenshot search on iPhones. To start using this feature, we're gonna have to enable Apple Intelligence service on the iPhone. And to do that, we're gonna have to open Settings. Then in Settings, navigate down to Apple Intelligence and Siri menu and switch on the Apple Intelligence. Once you do that, also download and install the package if you're prompted to, and then just open the page that you want to take a screenshot of. Sometimes this feature will have to take some time to launch on your smartphone, so just wait for it if you cannot use it right away. And then take a screenshot by pressing the regular power button and volume up key shortcut. And then just draw on your screenshot and see the search results by swiping them from the bottom of your screen. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.